Hi everybody. I want to show you guys how to post high definition video on YouTube using your Canon HG10 digital camcorder. First thing right off the bat, you're going to want to come on here. You're going to want to click this area right here, watch in high def or watch in HD. Went ahead and click that. It's going to take a couple seconds for it to load depending on how fast your internet connection is, and there it goes. Here's a small sample video I was doing earlier to test it out, and everything seems to be working good. If you can't see clear enough, come over here again, click this right here, go to full screen. Now you should be able to see real clear. I'm going to go ahead and hit the escape key. Okay, now that you're watching everything in high def, we're going to take a look at the camera here real quick. Going to want to make sure that all the video software that come with the camera is installed in your computer, especially the ULEAD Movie Factory. That's very important. Okay, so after you got all your software installed, hopefully you figured out how to make a small video, and you're pretty much at the point where you're wanting to figure out how to put it on YouTube. So first thing you're going to want to do, you got to do, is you got to use this little outlet right here, and you got to use the plug in the it's like a charger pack. You got to have the battery in place and everything. You got to have that hooked up to the wall outlet and plugged in here. Once you get that done, you're going to want to go behind the viewer. You're going to want to open this up. Actually, I can't show you, but behind there's a spot to plug the white cord that come with the camera. One end's got its USB cord. One end plugs in your computer, and the other end plugs into your camera behind the viewer here. You're going to want to plug that. Get that all plugged in. Once you get that plugged in, you're going to want to come back to the back panel. You're going to want to use this knob here. Of course, you're going to want to turn it on. Wait for it to come on. Once it comes on, you'll want to turn it again clockwise into the mode position, and you'll notice on the viewer you'll be able to see the videos that you've taken, little still snapshots, little thumbnails. And once you do turn it clockwise into the mode position, you should hear your computer make a noise letting you know that it's detected the camera. I'm going to go ahead right now and plug mine in, and once you get it plugged in, there went the noise. I don't know if you could hear it or not, and then this box pops up, and these are where your video files are stored. So you want to open folder, and then you want to open the AVCHD folder, and then you want to open the BDMV folder, and then you want to open the stream folder. And there's your video file right there. Nothing can read this file. Windows Media Player, nothing can read it yet. The only thing that can read it is what I was telling you, the ULEAD Movie Factory. But first we just want to get this file transferred off our camera on to the computer, and there's a bunch of ways to do it, but I'm just going to go over here on my desktop, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to new folder, and we're going to name it test video 1, and once again, plenty of different ways to do this. I'm just going to drag and drop the file into the test video folder, just like this, and this is going to get the video file off the camera onto your computer. And there it goes. It just showed you. That went really fast because that was it's a small video file. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to delete this because I want my camera next time when I go to use it, I want it to be blank. I want to have maximum amount of storage. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Now the camera's empty, and I'm just gonna go ahead and close the camera out, and you can unplug it now or whatever you want to do. Go over here, make sure, yep, there's the video file. Okay, now we need to start our tool up. Go to Start menu and All Programs, and right here is Coral Applications. This is what you should look for. Once you find that, you need to open that up. And right here's what you're looking for, is the ULEAD DVD Movie Factory. So go ahead and click on that and get that started up.